Let's discuss chapter number 13, integration. Um, okay, first of all, I'll give y equal x square. So I will differentiate this one with respect to x. The answer is 2x. Now I'll give another question. dy over dx is 2x. Find y. Y is x square. So this process, finding y, this process is the reverse of differentiation. So, so it is called integration. It means simply you can write uh, what is integration. It is the reverse process of differentiation. Now when you look at this one, x square turn into 2x. Then how do you bring into 2x to x square? Then this is power 1. So this is power 2. So then you want to add one more power to here, x1 plus 1, and divide this value, 2. Again, what do we do? Take this one, 2x1, and you want to add 1, and you want to get rid of 2, divide 2. So what is the answer? 2 to 2 cancel out, x square. Now, if you differentiate y equal x cube, what is the answer? Dy over dx is 3x square. Then x square, x cube turn into 3x square. Then when it's going back, you want to add 1 to here and divide by 2 plus 3. Then it will come to this one. Basically you have x square, right? You add 1, 2 plus 1, and divide by 2 plus 1. In here, you can see you have x, you have 2x, 1, then add another 1, divide by 1 plus 1. So actually this is 3x square. So this is going to be 2x plus over 2 divided by 2. Now dy by dx over 2x. Now how do we instruct, or how do we give the command to reverse the process? We have a symbol and this, we will tell integrate 2x with respect to x. Integrate 2x with respect to x. So this is the integration sign. This is This is the integral sign. And left side also. Integrate with respect to. This is the equation. If we apply any process to left side, we have to do the right side as well. Then this is become y, and this one we have to keep 2x 1, then we have to add 1 to it and divide 1 plus 1. Or let me tell like this. So we want to integrate 2x dx, then this is power 1. So you have to add 1 power and then divide this power. 1 plus 1, 2. Divide that. Now what is the answer? 2 to 2 cancel out, and the answer is going to be x square. And we put a constant as well. I tell you why it is basically next time. Now let's forget about the previous discussion, and simply if I ask you to do x7 dx integrate, right? Integrate, come on. So what you need to do, answer is x8 over 8. If I ask you to do x100 dx, x to the power integrate, x 101 over 101. Another one, x minus 5 dx. Okay, I'm not going to it yet. X77. The answer is x 88 over 88. 78. 78 over 70. Now can you see the difference? How did I do this one? If it is x7, I add 1 and then I divide by the symbol. 800. Add 101, divide by 101. F77, you have at 78, add 1, it's become 78 and divide by 78. If it is XA, how do you do? So what is the command given? Add 1 and divide by this number. What is this number? A plus 1. And xn, if you have, what do? You add 1 and divide by this number n plus 1. Then if you integrate a minus 5 dx, what is the answer? X minus 5 plus 1, because you want to add 1 and divide by that value. So this is x minus 4 divided by minus 4. But everywhere we want to put a c, constant. Now this part is usually called integral. When you compare, this is integral of x7 with respect to x. This one is the integral of x100 with respect to x. This answer is the integral of x77 with respect to x. Now this is the summary basically. If we have if we ask to integrate x cubed dx, then your answer should be x 3 plus 1, 1 add 1 and divide by that value 4. Then plus c. So if I simplify x4 over 4 plus c. Now I am going to explain. Okay, this is if it is xn dx, what is the integral of xn? Xn plus add 1 and divide by that power. So that is n plus c. Now why we are putting c? Because dy equal x square plus 1. When I differentiate this one, dy over dx, dy over dx, answer is 2x. Y equal x square plus 4, what dy differentiate, that is 2x. Again, constant differentiation 0. Y equal x square plus a is a constant, then dy over dx is 2x. Right? Now, when you integrate this one, right? If I write like this, y equal x square differentiation dy over dx is 2x. When I differentiate y equal x square plus 2, it is also 2x answer. Y equal x square plus a differentiation dy over dx, what is the answer? 2x. Then when we are reversing this process, we don't know this 2x come from this one or this one or this one. Right? In here there are three options. 2x can occur from here, here, here. So because of that reason, when we integrate 2x, what is the integration of 2x? When we integrate 2x, this is going to be 2 times x square over 2 and plus c. So this is 2 to 2 cancel out. The answer is going to be x square plus c. So this c represent 1, 4, or a. We have no choice. We need further information to find this c. Let's try to answer some questions for practice. What is the answer for this one? x8 add 1, 9, and divide by that 12, x9 over 9 plus c. Now this is x12, then this is going to be add 1, 12 plus 1, 13, and divide by 13 plus t. Now this is x14. So what is this one then? Add 1, 14 plus 1, 15 over 15 plus c. This one, x 22 add 1, 23 divided by 23 plus 1. X 55 add 1, x 66 over 6, sorry, add 1, I add 10. So x 55 add 1, 56 over 56 plus c. And this one, x 65 plus 1, 66 over 66 plus 6. Now, x, what is the answer? Add 1. Minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. It is not increasing, decreasing the size. Minus 7 over minus 7. Magnitude is decreasing by 1, 8 to 7. So, plus c. Minus 12, add 1. It's not going to 13, it's going back. Minus 11. Divide by minus 11 plus c. And x minus 13, add 1. When you add 1 to negative value, it's reduced. So x minus 12 over minus 12 plus c. And this is x minus 22 add 1 minus 21, 22 add 1 minus 21 over minus 21 plus c. This is minus 65x minus 64 divided by 64 plus c. Let's discuss these sections. So the command is integration is still the same thing, x 3 over 2 uh, 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. How did I do this one? X 3 over 2 plus 1 divided by 3 over 2 plus 1. What is 3 over 2 plus 1? This is 3, 2 plus 2 over 2, 5 over 2. So basically this is x 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. Likewise, x 7 over 9 divided by x 16 over 7 plus 16 over 7. How did I do? So 7 over 9 plus 1. Sorry, this is 9. I had to write here. 9. 16 over 9 and yeah, over 16 over 9. So this is 7 plus 9 over 9. Because this is 9 over 9 is going to be so 16 over 9. So I forgot to write plus c and plus c. How about this one? X m n plus 1 over m over n plus 1 plus c. When you add minus 5 over 4, x minus 5 over 4 plus 1 minus 5 over plus 1. What is my over plus 1? Plus c. So what is minus 5 over plus 1? Plus 1. So minus 5 plus 4 over 4, which is going to be minus 1 over 4. So x minus 1 over 4 divided by minus 1 over 4. Just add. This is, I'm not doing anything, the A-level part. So that is integration sign and dx. And just you want to add to this power and divide by that number. So this is year 5 knowledge. So when you have 5, you know how to add 5 plus 1. Answer is 6. So this is you learn in year 2 and 3. So x minus 7 over 2 plus 1 divided by that amount. So what is minus plus c? So minus 7 over 2 plus 1 is minus 7 plus 2 over 2 minus 5 over 2. So x minus 5 over 2 divided by minus 5 over 2 plus c. This is going to be x minus m over n plus 1 divided by minus m over n plus 1 plus c. Now, you know the in general answer for this one, x n plus 1 over n plus 1 c. Now, the other one is if we have ax n dx, then ax n plus 1 over n plus 1 c, other one. So what is this one is about? If we have 2x cubed dx, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of, okay, I'll put 4. 4x cubed dx. 4x cubed dx means integrate sign is there, you can write x cube plus x cube plus x cube plus x cube 1 2 3 4 dx. So you want to integrate this one 4 times. So that is the idea of it. So instead of doing this one, you can simply, actually I'll rewrite again, x3 plus x3 plus x3 plus x3 dx. So what is the answer? x4 over 4, x4 over 4, uh, x4 over 4, x4 over 4. I'll make it, oh, this is 5 for a reason, otherwise you get confused. So one more x, 1 2 3 4 5. So then another x4 over 4, 1 2 3 4 5 plus c. So I did. Now what is the answer? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I will show you properly. I'll factorize x4 over 4. What is the answer? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 2 3 4 5. It means 5 x4 over 4. Now I'll rewrite closer to here, 5x cube dx. Right? This 5 is still here and this 5 is still here. It stay the same. It's look like when you ask to do this one, you take 5 out, then x cube dx. It means 5 times x4 over 4, which is this one. Likewise, so I want to integrate this one, ax and dx, then you take a out, then xn dx, which is a times xn plus 1 over n plus 1, which is this one. So we don't write this step, the medium step, but it is better to write always. So summary is this: if we have something to integrate like this, 688 dx, you can write 6 as it is, then x8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 plus c. So you have to disregard 6 simply, and then you have to do the simple operation. So 6 x9 over 9. But I rather like to do like this. Take 6 out from x8 dx. Then it is crystal clear, because 6 you can grab it out, because 6 is going to stay the same. I show you. Then this is 6 x8 9 over 9 plus c. Or you can simply write without this step, right? 6, then x9 over 9 plus c. So answer is axn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Here I want to add one more thing. N can't be equal to minus 1, because if it is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Usually when we write this one, you can write from here to here, but it's good to know this one. Now the summaries of this one is, if we have 3x square 4 dx differentiation, how do you do? You simply keep 3, don't worry about that, 3 times, then x 5 over 5, 4 plus 1 over the 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3. That's it. That is the summary. Now another standard equation. Integrate axn. So here a is a constant. A is a constant. Axn plus bxm and cxt dx. Now a, b, c are constant. So what is the answer of this one? Answer is going to be for this one is this. Now ax and differentiation is what? Integration is what? A we leave it and then x n plus 1 over n plus 1. Then what is the next one? Plus sign. Then what is the next one? bxm. So then b x m m plus 1 over m plus 1. Then plus sign. And then what is remaining here? cxt. cxt plus 1 over t plus 1. And plus d. D is the constant now. Like here it is a constant. Now I use a, b, c. I can't write again c. So I put d, another constant. Now when you look at this one, axn, a times xn plus or n plus 1, bxm, bxm plus 1 over m plus 1, and cxt. So cxt plus 1 over t is plus 1 plus t. So that is the. For example, if we have a question like this, 3x square plus 4x 7 dx. So what is the answer for this one? I will answer right answer here. 3 as it is, then x square become x3 over 3. And 4 as it is, this will become x7 over 7 plus c or d, anything, any letter constant.